stop hauling your history to the curb. That rusted shovel? Those mismatched rain boots? They aren't junk. They are the architectural soul of your new outdoor sanctuary. Today, I'm revealing senior designer secrets to turn worthless oxidized iron into breathtaking garden art. Let's perform some material alchemy. Hello, my beautiful community of mindful creators. I'm Beki, and welcome back to Beki Decor. If you've ever looked at your plain wooden fence or a pile of scrap metal and felt like something was missing, this masterclass is your answer. We are decoding creative ways to transform unusual junk into stunning garden features. From rusty metal statues to fence murals, I'm showing you how to curate a space that makes neighbors stop in their tracks. We're moving beyond petunias into high artistry stewardship. Let's elevate your garden. The Outdoor Transformation Secret 1. The Industrial Narrative, Rust and Resilience. We begin with rust and resilience. Oxidized iron isn't too far gone. It's a story etched in time. Take a bunch of rusted tools, most see junk. I see the architectural skeleton of an ornamental statue. This material alchemy turns cheap scrap into a high-end focal point that anchors your yard with tactile integrity. The Outdoor Transformation Secret 2. The Fence Canvas, Spatial Integrity. Your fence is a blank canvas waiting for spatial integrity. Instead of leaving it plain, we're adding breathtaking fence art. Whether it's a colorful mural or hanging rustic metal pieces, we're creating visual rhythm that turns a boundary into a show-stopping highlight. The Outdoor Transformation Secret 3. The Wheelbarrow Throne, Architectural Volume. In segment 3, we create architectural volume. A rusty wheelbarrow isn't for hauling dirt anymore. It's a bespoke planter. By allowing it to overflow with vibrant flowers, you create a material dialogue between the hard, oxidized metal and the soft, organic life. The Outdoor Transformation Secret 4. The Spirit Lantern, Atmospheric Curation. Old metal lanterns are masterpieces of industrial geometry. By cleaning the glass and adding a warm, solar-powered glow, you create atmospheric curation. It becomes a spirit of the garden that provides radiant depth during those twilight hours. The Outdoor Transformation Secret 5. Rain Boot Biophilia, Tactile Play. Let's talk about biophilic styling with a twist. Those mismatched rain boots are perfect for pop-up planters. Hanging them along your fence adds a sense of humor and compositional continuity that makes your garden feel both thoughtful and alive. The Outdoor Transformation Secret 6. The Tool Creature, Sculptural Artistry. For my mindful creators, we're building fabulous creatures. Using old wrenches, hammerheads, and gears to create animal statues adds architectural depth. This is high artistry stewardship, transforming the mechanical into the biological. The Outdoor Transformation Secret 7. The Teacup Vignette, Luminous Detail. Detail matters in organic minimalism. A chipped teacup becomes a whimsical bird feeder or a tiny succulent pot. Placing these tiny treasures in unexpected places creates a visual narrative that rewards guests for looking closer. The Outdoor Transformation Secret 8. The Visual Echo, Finish, the Senior Expert Secret. The final revelation. The visual echo. Repeat the rusty texture of your statues in your fence art or seating. This creates compositional continuity, signaling that your junk garden was actually a highly calculated, bespoke design choice. Your sanctuary is now complete. Before you go and rescue that next piece of iron from the landfill, I want to say a huge thank you to this mindful community. Your creative impulses are what make the world, and our gardens, more beautiful. If you're ready to try the spirit lantern or the tool creature, tell me in the comments. Hit that subscribe button, and let's keep weaving our stories together. Happy decorating! Remember, your garden is a testament to the infinite potential of your imagination. When we find value in what the world has tossed aside, we find a new kind of beauty in ourselves. Trust your material alchemy, find the story in the rust, and create a breathtaking sanctuary that reflects your soul. I'm Beki, and I'll see you in the next revelation. Stay inspired.